Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own UGC item on Roblox. Guys, first of all you have to click on avatar, and now you have to click on rig builder. So basically first of all we have to create our Roblox model for the making our UGC item. So now we just need to choose block avatar. As you can see, we got this block of tar here. You can keep anywhere you want. So we are going to export this rig builder, or I can delete it. Just select this rig, and here you just need to right click on it, and now you just need to export selection. Click on export selection, and this will open here. Just name your block or the Roblox model as anything you want. I'm gonna name it as dummy one. I already downloaded one of the object of the same type. You just need to click on save change save. So once you exported the Roblox model, now guys, to create your own UGC item, you have to download the Blender software to make your own UGC item. So I just need to cut it off. Now guys, you just need to open a browser and search for Blender. If you haven't downloaded yet, you can go to blender.org, and here you can download the downloader for your PC. You can download for Mac as well, Mac and Linux as well, and just install it. It is only for 306 MB. So the minimum requirement for this software is 8 GB RAM. So make sure if you have the requirement, then you can download it. Now once you are done with this, now we are going to open this. Once you are done with the installation, we are going to open Blender to model our UGC item, first UGC item. So whenever you open the Blender, you will see this screen. First of all, click on this general. Now guys, you have to delete this cube. We don't need this cube. Now you just need to click on this file, and you click on import and choose object. Since we have exported our Roblox avatar as object, so that's why we are selecting this. Now go to desktop where you have imported or exported your dummy or the Roblox avatar, and choose. I have exported my Roblox as of dummy one. Now click on object, and as you can see, we are got our Roblox avatar here. You just need to choose this axis to align in the center. So just press a G key to move it in the center. Fine. And now you just need to select this one and press G to move in the center again along the y-axis. Let me see in every view if it is in center or not. Yeah, now it's in center. Now we are going to create our first UGC item. So let's do that. So my scrolling button is not working. So now guys, what you need to do, you have to press Shift A to import your we are going to import a circle here, and as you can see at bottom we got a circle. We just need to drag it over the head. Press G to move, and press Z to along Z axis. As you can see, here we got our H, and now you just need to, what you need to do, once you're here, just press, just go to in edit mode. We got lots of vertex now in the circle now, so we are going to use these vertices to model our UGC items. So we are going to make our simple head for our avatar, and you will get this idea how can you create your own UGC item using this video. Just watch this video till the end to get the more idea. So now guys, you just need to press E to extrude, and basically what does extrude means? It stretch each and every selected vertex to point that the point uh, or the point you want to stretch your vertex with the faces. So just press E and Z both, because we are stretching or we are extending our vertex with faces along Z axis. Now you can see that we have created this. Now just need to press S to scale it down. You can scale at any point you want. So I just want to make sure that uh, it do not cover the head completely. Now you can see it is the head is in the center. Now you just need to press G to move along Z axis and keep it like this. So G basically move your vertex, and we are pressing Z to move along Z axis. Now press E again to extrude, but along Z axis. As you can see. So basically what can we do? We can extrude again E and Z point like this, and again E, and this is better. And now we are going to press E again to Z along. That's better. You can see now it is looking much better. Now we are going to extrude or what can we do? We can resize it like this. Fine, and now we can extrude again along the axis and press S to scale it down to the center. So now it's looking better, but the center should be aligned to these vertex. So we can press G and Z to move it along the axis. As you can see, this is how you can make your hat. But you can see the width of the hat is not recommendable, or I would say it is not looking like a real one. Let me zoom in. So if we go into object mode, you can see it is very thinner. So we are going to make it little wider. So we have to increase its width. So I just want to increase the width of the edges of the hat. So what can I do? You just need to click on modify here, click on add modifier, and now you just need to click on this. But before that, guys, we have to select our edges along the vertex hat. So let's do that. So press guys, first of all the select the each selection mode. You can hear this is the selection mode, and this is each select. So just select one each from here and press alt to select all edges along these edges. You can see it has selected each and every edges along the first two edges we have selected. Fine. So yeah, now go to once you select your edges, now click on modify and click on solidify. And as you can see, it increases the width of the edge of hat. Fine. Once you increase, you can increase the thickness you want at any to any certain point. So we can increase it thickness like this, but this is very much thicker. 0.1 is very very much fine. So it's like a chef hat. You can see it's very much like a head chef. So chef hat, I would say. But right now it is not look like a real one, so you have to shade it. So just right click on it and click on auto shade. Now you can see it looks now very much real one. So now once you're done with this guys, so I just press this. So guys, once you are done with your hat, now it's time to color it. But there is a condition for it. So if you want to color your hat, it has to be image texture and it has to be a certain size. So I'll recommend you to have this kind of a size for your image. If you have a photo editor, right now I don't have a photo editor, but I have one trick which I always do to fill my colors to my UGC item. What you need to do, you have to open photo app on your PC. If you have, usually it's a built-in app. Oh, I just wrong. Open the not photo, it's a paint app. When you open the paint app, make sure to save your paint, or if you want to have multiple color, you can choose. Right now, I am going to choose my white color for it. So I can also, first of all, you have to click on this image property and choose image size as 256 width and 256 height. This is the standard image texture resolution for the image texture. So you just need to click and save it. Once you save it, now you just need to color. If you want multiple colors, you can color your this image as you want, but I'm not going to color it. Or if you say let's color two colors here, and we are going to use those two colors in our hat. Like I'm going to choose this. Now let me choose any color I want. Let's choose this color, and one more color I would like to choose, and it's going to be this gray, or let's choose different one. Let's choose the red color, and let's do this. So I'm going to use these two colors in my hat. So let's save this image. Click on save and save as. Click on PNG, and as you can see, I have already saved as one image hat, and I've used I made the one more video on that, and I used three color in that video. So let's save it as hat one. Fine, and click on save. Now go to Blender and click on UV editing, and here you have to, what you need to do, you have to go to an object mode, choose your head, and go to in material property, click on new, and in the base color, first of all we have to, in this UV editing, you have to click on open and open your image here. We have opened our image here. Now just need to, guys, click on base color and click on this base color and click on this image texture from here, and from here you have to choose your image. As you can see, we have selected our image. Just go to in edit mode, just choose the edge selection. Now you just need to press A only A to select all the vertex of hat, and press U to do UV mapping, and click on view project from view. And as you can see, we got our hat here. We can keep this hat anywhere you want. Fine, so let me press again U. Let me press U and let me move it anywhere I want. Fine, so now let me show you how it looks when, so this basically we have done our coloring. Let's see, let me show you how it looks. Click on view port shading, and as you can see, we got this color on our hat. Fine, this is how you can do. Now the next part is, once you're done with your imaging, or next part is if you're done with your coloring, now you can also do the red color as well in the similar manner. So once you're done with your modeling of your hat, now guys, the next part is very tricky, so it's very complicated. I've already made the video on that, and you can find the link in the description, where I have already explained everything. How can you publish your UGC item and on Roblox. So first of all, if you want to be publish your UGC item, you have to be part of you have to be the UGC creator for that, and you have to apply for that. You have to apply for the application for that purpose. So I'll explain everything in that video, so you can find the video description in you link in the description. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.